What has been the biggest trade war against Northern Uganda? The biggest trade war against Northern Uganda has been price control. We all know that agriculture is the major activity in Northern Uganda. And almost everybody in Northern Uganda is active in agriculture in one way or the other. But what happens? Whenever Northern Uganda agricultural products get higher yields, they are subjected into low prices by middlemen. And those middlemen have the people who control them. The price control, which is a price drop, happens nationally in this country, especially in the northern part. But when the international market, like at the East African coast, the price is stable. The drop in price is just a minimum at the East African coast, where our products get fine route to get exported. But when you come here, when many people grow cotton and the yield is much, you find cotton can sometimes come up to 700 shilling, Uganda shilling per kilogram. But at times when the yield is low, it can shoot up to 5,000 Uganda shilling per kilogram. The same applies to all other crops. Same, sunflower, name them. It's a painful truth and fact. So, our prices of products in Northern Uganda being determined according to how the yields are. Is it happening internationally? No. It is true that there is price fluctuation of agricultural products. But why crops in other parts of the country, for example, central Uganda and even western Uganda, price is a little bit moderately stable? Somebody may ask, we need to bring different crops. Coffee and the rest. Yes, we need that so that we have the same balance of agricultural zoning. But at the research level, at the higher research centers, agricultural scientists who are competent enough are not employed at national level. If they are employed, they are even limited for farm research, because you need to genetically modify a certain crop before you bring it into a new environment which had not been favoring it before. So if we bring coffee here, for example, coffee will not survive because we have not done enough genetic modification. It must survive with our soil nutrient and also our environmental condition and even the rainfall reliability. So the biggest trade war against Northern Uganda has been the price control, where any crop that shows higher yield in a particular season, those middlemen only hear, there has been high yield of same, the price go down. There has been high yield of sunflower. There has been high yield of cotton. It goes down. But what about tobacco in West Nile? It is relatively stable. Until the philosophy that one race is more superior and another one inferior is finally discredited and abandoned, Northern Uganda problem will remain. Most of this suffering in Northern Uganda are induced. They are not by bad luck that God hates us. No, God loves us so much, just like loves other brothers in other parts of the country. So if you can do something in your own private means to support the farmers, maybe having a satellite station, you connect to the East African and you buy at favorable prices, you would have done something that people may not notice, but one of the greatest things to the people in Northern Uganda.
I'm focused, I know exactly what I need. Let me hope I did not realize it late. But life ain't easy, food don't come on a silver platter for y'all to eat. Y'all gotta struggle day and night.